Hey y'all, we're in the airport. We are currently in Louisville. The time is 6:05 a.m. We're about to get on a flight at 7:35 and go to Baltimore. From Baltimore, we're gonna go to Chicago, O'Hare. And then we're gonna be at the O'Hare airport keeping y'all entertained for a few hours during our layover. And our layover is going to be probably about 7 hours. So y'all stay tuned for some good jokes. Cause we fools, so like this gonna be funny as hell. And so when you watch this video, you just know the thing you're supposed to do: like, share, subscribe, all the help us get famous. Cause we trying to quit our jobs.
Hey, goddamn, I'm with it. Hey, goddamn, I'm with it. I'm with it. Got money now, you done switched up on me. I used to think about how you been acting when a nigga got money now, you done switched up on me. Now you wanna say what's up to me. Okay, so now you wanna make love to me. Girl, if you don't get the fuck from me, I know you thought we had something.
Hey gang. Excuse my nose, but we're finally in Chicago. We are waiting to check into our flight for Dubai. We don't leave until like 7:30ish, and we can't check in until like 4 hours until departure. So that's like around 2:30, 3 o'clock. So we just chilling right now. All the check-in games. We still have all of our luggage. So nothing's really going on. She over there talking on the phone. She has her own business, Dope Designs by Nanny. Go follow her, go support her. It's currently Black Friday, so she is having a sale. What sale you having? Well, about time people watch this, it's gonna be over. But she's having a sale. And she makes dope ass things. So it's Dope Designs by Nanny. Go check that out. But yeah, my face looks crusty.
Just be honest, girl, what you want from me? This ain't nothing new, keep it so 100. I can't let none of these niggas get one up on me. I go back, I tell you, you better run from me. Give hope to my niggas, them niggas love money. Adios to them bitches, can't get a hug from me. I'm high on life, that's what it does for me. My numbers going up, I feel a buzz coming.
Okay guys, so we made it through international security. We checked our bags in. And now we're currently at a little bar. We're gonna take shots, get drinks, all the fun things. We ran into some girls on the trip. We're all going to Dubai. So we're about to get lit a little bit, eat a little bit.
I didn't look at that side. You were supposed to take it. I tried to take it. She was going to be assignment because she had to close her mouth. She said if anybody didn't do right on the video.
Okay, y'all gotta say when we really taking it.
Okay, let me see the video. Did everyone?
How we really doing it? Okay. That's good. This is good. That's good. This reposado is good. That's good.
That was good.
Like, it's good. That's why it took me because I was really tasting it like, it's good.
This was Casamigos. I don't know what it was.
I don't know. I think y'all got
But it was tacos very like smooth. It's not like the more. Yeah, let me say something.
We only do 7.
That shit hit my tummy right here.
Like, yeah, because we'll get back at 3 something.
And I ate this breakfast.
Yeah,
so stay tuned for the
3 pairs. Yeah, we take a later flight. And then we take a later flight. We didn't take the early flight to leave here.
But she's cute though.
Because we were scared. Because customs gonna take a minute.
Yeah.
What time y'all leaving here? What time y'all pick to leave here?
I was saying that we're gonna be overnight.
Y'all staying the night. What y'all bring to wear?
Most of mine are dresses.
Yeah.
And I bought a bunch of like little short,
I brought a couple shorts,
crop tops
but
and
not
short.
See, normally I always got my titties out.
Usually I got my ass
While I'm
out.
there, I don't.
Usually I
You
got
ain't
my
really
ass
gonna
out.
see people with a whole bunch of titties out. This time though, I tried all my shit on this morning. I still got a lot of titties. I'm gonna have to get like some tank tops or something.
But you got like,
They're not super. Dog, the other day I went on. I don't care about this over here. Look, the other day I went on.
That's the trap, right?
you wanna try them? I am zoologist.
It's just spicy.
I gotta slow down.
Yeah, it's good.
Why you slow down?
Yeah, they've been doing it.
Alright, y'all, I gotta go. Bye. Y'all, I've never seen a plane this big. Like, look how huge this plane is. I've only flown like Southwest, United America. Okay, y'all, so this is how it looks. Have a little screen, your charging ports. I guess this is a control to the TVs. Your USB. I had already brought my pillow and a blanket, but they give you a nice little blanket, it looks like. And then the pillow I'm sitting on is the little pillow you get. So it looks like this. It's about the same size as the screen. So I have put my water bottle right here, and they also give you headphones. But I have my AirPods in. Me and Annie have our own little row to ourselves. We're in 46A and B. So we're just gonna get comfortable and situate ourselves. This is what the plane looks like. This is how big it is. This is not the exact same one we're on, but it's as big as this plane. We're on the Emirates one, which they have really great reviews, really good customer service. So, and so far, everyone's been super kind, super sweet. So, this is the start of our flight. I think it's 13 hours.
13, maybe it's 13 going to 15
It's
something.
a long flight.
It's a long flight, but yeah, we're tired. We have a little drink to drink. We will see you on the other side.
Yes.
Goodbye.
Yes. I might check in periodically, but hopefully I'll sleep for the majority of this flight. So the flight attendant just gave us one of these little bags. It has some socks in it. Orange socks. It has a sleeping mask in it, which I will not be using because of my lashes, girl. Some earplugs. This is the ticket to the expo that is going on in Dubai currently. Sleds. I like these little stickers that you can put, so either you can be on Do Not Disturb, or wake me up for duty free, which I think is just like alcohol. And then a cute little toothbrush and a miniature toothpaste. So that looks cute.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Come up in your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't built like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You bluffed on her, now we mad because you met me. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. My shit off when you top me off, you know I be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Speak without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how breath is. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how breath is.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I haunt you.
It was a long flight, you guys, but it honestly wasn't even that bad. It was not bad at all. I was like dreading it, but I was actually pretty comfortable. I slept for majority of the flight. The meals wasn't terrible. I'm waiting for Nanny. There was a lot of damn kids on this flight, just to let you know. So before they bring up all this stuff, this is our room in our villa. We just got here. I don't know what time it is, but it's super cute, super spacious. Oh, look at Ashley.
I'm the butler.
You so no, shut up, boo. This is the bathroom. Oh my gosh.
Y'all definitely dope.
It is. Oh my gosh. This is really nice.
It's a situation.
I'm gonna do a separate video on like things you need to know before coming to Dubai, things you need to pack before Dubai. Bitch took off her wig. I told her, I'm talking to the people. I told her she looks better without the wig on because we love the short hair shorty.
Y'all be the judge. Because it's okay, because short hair shorty, long hair shorty, curly hair shorty, I'm gonna be here.
She's her.
Bitch, I'm here.
But we are finna change. We just took some shots already. We just took some shots. Yeah, no, I'm gonna definitely need to snack a little bit. Oh, this is gonna be a nice view later. I don't know if y'all can tell, but the villa has its own pool, has a jacuzzi, sitting area. It looks like that room has a balcony. When we landed at like 8, they was telling me it was like 11 a.m. So this is where we're staying. And what is this called? The villa, the Palm Villa or something like that? The Palm Villa, and it has like its own like multiple like little areas. So like I'll figure it out tomorrow. I'll show like a better video tomorrow. But yeah, we here in Dubai, bitch. Really, it's not even day 1, okay? Because we got here late. It's
Half.
we just now getting settled. It's I don't know if y'all can tell. See the time. It's 23:52. So it's 11:52 here. I don't know what time it is at home. Home is Kentucky, by the way. But yeah, we're about to change and get to the pool. See you tomorrow. Good morning. we woke up in Dubai, bitches. Y'all, our villa is so beautiful. It's literally right off the beach. Like,
We spent some time in the pool, the hot tub. It was a great way to come from a day of traveling.
let me show y'all. Like the view alone, is so pretty. And let me tell y'all, I done already opened up this window and it's like 85 degrees. Mind you, we came from like 20 degree weather. So, look. I'm gonna do a better like little tour of our villa. But like I was saying before, we're staying off the Palm something. Let me give y'all the correct info. We're staying at the Palm Jumeriah Frond of Villa 39. So we don't have like a really good view of it, but it's like a big like palm beach resort type thing that way. And like on both sides of the street all the way down, it's nothing but villas. And it's like A through, I guess like A through Z, or at least A through like O, at least that I know, because we're O. And each little frond has like multiple villas. And that's where we're at. So I don't know if that's like, I guess that's downtown Dubai. Breakfast. We finally got up and got it moving. It's about to be 3 o'clock. So this is brunch, I guess.
You said what?
Brunching.
Recording.
I said we finally got up. Talking to the gang.
Talking to the gang.
Gang.
Come on,
Go ahead, Isha.
Oh shit.
Okay.
I didn't know it was gonna spill for real.
We popping bottles.
Okay. So this is the fit for day 1. Just this little Shein brown number. They still getting ready. Nanny's still upstairs getting ready. Ooh, the sun is out. Let's see. See how we look in the sun, baby. So it is currently 4:22 and we are finally getting our day started. They're doing construction across the street. So this is what I was trying to explain to y'all. So like along this whole street, it's nothing but different villas. Like 1 through, like that's 40, we're 39. But the sun, is good lighting? I can't see y'all. Oh, that's better. That's it. That's it, honey. I want to prop y'all up, but we ain't gonna do that. But I just want to shout out all the content creators, because it really is hard trying to create content for different platforms. Like I'm trying to create a TikTok, well, multiple TikToks. I'm trying to vlog for you guys. I'm trying to keep up on my Instagram, my Snapchat, and it is hard. It is hard. I didn't put any makeup on today because I didn't feel like it. And my skin is kind of like thriving. It's flourishing right now, so I don't want to mess it up by putting on makeup every day while we're here. So I don't know how the beginning of this vlog is gonna start, because I really didn't vlog like the very beginning of us like going to the airport and all that stuff. But we're going to be here in Dubai for about 7-8 days. So So we left Black Friday and we're coming back like December the 4th or 5th. I think it's December the 5th. I'm gonna try to have like good content for you guys, quick content, because I only brought like one SD card and I don't know how much it's gonna fit on it. So if stuff starts looking choppy, my bad sis, my bad. All right, y'all, we trying to pick out some fits for when we go to Abu Dhabi. And look at her looking good in this white. Oh, she looks so good. Well, we're trying some different color options. I picked out pink, green, and then like this turquoise looking one.
I didn't bring.
So we'll see. We'll see.
I want the gold because I bring shoes that have gold in it, or tan because I got shoes that got
Nothing.
this color in it.
Somewhere. Let me see if I can prop you guys up here.
So he said we can take these out of here.
Yeah.
Or did he? If I'm still sitting here.
That's the only way you're gonna be able to try it on.
Does that come in different sizes?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
That's so low.
How did he know
What
I
is
got the
this?
right size?
He gave
me
you
a full.
He gave you a full.
So, okay. I don't even know what size I got on right now.
You want to take this off?
I don't like this one.
Why? You don't like the print on it?
Yeah.
I don't think that's pretty.
I thought like the yellow one was really good on her skin. Or the purple one.
I don't like the green, that green anyways.
I might be the biggest size.
You have more that's made like
They
this?
tight. They be
That's in
tight.
a different color?
I don't know if I'm
Black
in the
and
right
white.
color or not.
The black and white only comes in this.
That is traditional.
I like it.
This is traditional?
Yeah.
I guess I'm just going.
Sister.
Is it black with gold beads?
Yeah.
Black and gold.
Can I see that one?
Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Okay, I need something too. Why can't I get a little? I want yellow.
You like yellow?
Yeah, or
Yellow
I
is
like
color.
that red. Or I like that red and
Red right
cream. Or I'll do
Huh?
blonde. I love that.
Do you?
Yes,
pretty.
It's
I need
so
to
pretty.
see it in the mirror.
It's so pretty. Aww. Oh my god, that is so pretty.
It's pretty on you.
Okay, I want to
it
look
has a
this
tie.
cute. I want something like this for me. Me.
The way it fits.
Okay.
I give you something special for you, madam.
Okay. It's very pretty.
Nanny got hers.
Okay.
Ashley got hers.
You happy for this one?
Yeah, I
because
like Jacob and I.
Huh?
you want any some other colors, madam?
No, I think I'm okay. And y'all Sydney got hers too.
Sydney look happy.
She's happy. And then Nay
I think
is
I'm going to keep the white one because I don't like the way this wraps.
Come here.
Nay. They have all types. Yeah, that looks real
And it
good.
gives me a good little, it's still light, because that's why I don't want nothing super dark either. Unless it was all black. Yeah.
She's getting Nay together. She might do white or this purple one.
That's pretty. It's a very pretty store.
Y'all, we're gonna be yeah, hot is the word. It's definitely the word. It's definitely the word.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Laying baby, saying baby, love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the blood, I made the coffee green. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will. Come through and chill. Come through and chill. Can I tell us some real shit? In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings.
Good morning. Day 2 of Dubai, you guys. I don't know where I left off. I think it was dinner last night. We was tired. We shopped yesterday. It was a pretty much chill day. We came back, got in the pool, the jacuzzi again, turned up a little bit. Nanny's still asleep. Ashley and they are up. And they're supposed to be cooking breakfast sometime. Whenever that is. But yeah, if we go to the mall, I will film back and dinner in the sky. But right now, I'm just trying to lay out and get sun.
Later that same evening.
Alright, y'all. Outfit of the night. Face.
She walked out like, bitch, I'm on the list.
Trying to find good lighting in the house. But a simple, cute face. Thank you. We're at dinner in the sky.
Cause I'm hauling. I was waking up getting some wrecks. I see you swerve back, cause I'm in the black back. You diamonds on me, cause I've been getting paid. Yellow diamonds on me. Know you sexually. Take you on shopping trips for therapy. Move you out to Cali and my merch taking care of me. I know sometimes I'm crazy. I was hoping you could bury me. Beauty and the Beast, pretty girl with a gangster. I swear you still a baddest. No, don't play no games. I don't say nothing. I don't say no names. If man's not hot, then what you doing? Where you at? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. Shut your trap. I'm sipping wine. In a robe. I look too good. Be alone. Everyone wanna act like they important. But all that mean nothing when I saw my. Don't play. Don't play. With me. We had fun in the 360. I held you till you wavy. Still could never.
Okay, y'all, I found the good lighting in the house. So this is where you're gonna be seeing me kind of update y'all. I just threw on this scarf, but hopefully they'll give us like a different one since we're going to the desert. I just have on a quick little bodysuit, my little dusty Pumas. And that's it. And I'm gonna put my glasses on and I'm gonna put my glasses on and a little baggy bag. But this is the fit for the safari. Okay, go. Alright, we're at our first stop. We're about to do some ATVing. This is the company it's through. This one.
This?
Yes. Thank you. Hello? Yes. Remove mask?
Yes.
I know, I want a pink one, but like I like this one too. We doing pink tomorrow though.
This outside tumor and this covering face. Okay.
Okay.
This problem, this open. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. See you mirror.
Ooh. Thank you.
That's pretty.
You pay all together, madam?
Ooh, okay. Okay, y'all, we out here in the red dunes. We have our lovely attire, our head wraps on. These cost about, I think, 40 dirham. I think is what he said. It's so nice. It feels so good. It's not even as hot as you would think it would be. Look at Ashley. It's not bad at all. Alright, bye guys. Oh shit. Oh shit.
And which color for you?
The shiny. Got our hennas, y'all. So cute. It's the whole fit for me. It's the matching fit for me. Hey y'all. So I don't even know where I left off at, but we back at the villa. The other girls are gone to the mall right now. We just got back from the safari, and I needed to take a shower. I needed to drink some water. I need to chill out. I need to sit down because today was a long day. We left at like 2 o'clock. We didn't get back to like 9:30. It was a long day. I don't even know how much footage or content I got for you guys, but hopefully whatever I got you enjoy and it's good quality. We got henna. It's so freaking cute. Sorry, I have lotion on my hands because I just got out the shower and I'm lotioning up my body, but I have it on both sides, if you can tell. And she did it so fast, like, I hope it lasts long because the last time I got henna, which was in Cabo, it only lasts like 2 to 3 days. And I was like very, very disappointed. But we have an early day tomorrow. We're going to Abu Dhabi. And I'm very excited. Ooh, side note, sorry, while I'm thinking about it, because they're laying right here. Look at these pictures. So cute, right? He did a good job. Tomorrow we have an early day. We have to be ready by 8, I believe, to go to our next adventure. And I don't know if I'll be able to record or film there. So I don't know if I'll be taking my camera, or I might take the camera. If I can't film on the camera, I'll try to sneak some pics or videos on my phone. But yeah, today was a fun day. Like, oh my gosh, ATVing in the desert. Like, what? Sandboarding in the desert? What? That was fun. So if I don't do anything else for tonight, good night, you guys. Thank you for tuning in this far. If you're still watching, thank you. Make sure you like, comments, you know, talk to me, and definitely share my video, okay? Because, you know, that's how we're gonna make our gang the best, the biggest, the baddest, okay? It's a team effort. But yeah, do all those things, and I'll tap in with you guys later. Bye. Good morning. It is day 4 in Dubai, and we have an early morning adventure today. The people are coming to pick us up at 8:45-ish, and it is currently 8:22. So we gotta get dressed, and I will see you guys maybe when we get there, or maybe, you know, I'll take a picture. Well, of course I'm gonna take pictures, but maybe I'll record whenever I put my outfit on, because I'm so excited. Hey y'all, so I don't even know where I left off, but we are back from the mosque, from going to Abu Dhabi and touring the mosque and all those things there. We came back and took a shower because it was hot. It was so hot, and then with the traditional attire, wear, whatever, it was just hot. So I came back, took a shower, got cute, got dressed for the day. This is my little outfit of the day, little cow print for you. Got these pants from Shein, and this top maybe from Shein too, maybe the whole fit from Shein. It's my little necklace. We are about to go to the mall, finally, the Dubai mall, shop around a little bit. We wanted to go to like Burj Khalifa, if I'm saying it right, which is the tallest building in the world. But that attraction is literally sold out for the next 2 days, so we're going to try to see if we can go Friday. If not that, the Miracle Garden. So yeah, but I didn't take my camera with me when we went to the mosque because on the tour instructions they gave us a lot of like restrictions and stuff, so I just didn't want it to be any problems with me bringing my camera. But while I was there, I seen a bunch of people with their cameras and stuff, not necessarily like vlogging or recording, but like taking pictures, professional pictures. So I just took my camera. I will insert different videos, photos, everything, anything that was good footage from that trip up somewhere here. I'm gonna learn how to, y'all. But yeah, my henna is looking so good, y'all. I'm obsessed. I wish it was a little darker, less red, but it's whatever. The makeup turned out really good. Lashes still look good. Shout out to my lash tech because she did that. She understood the assignment. She's always doing it for me. But yeah, we're about to go to the mall and yeah, shop a little bit, maybe eat there, maybe go to dinner afterwards. So I'm taking the camera to the mall and, you know, letting you guys see, because I think it's like a whole little light show, if I'm not mistaken. Y'all, these birds be wild out here. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's like a light show in front of the mall or near the mall or something like that at night. So by the time we get down there and like shop around, it should be dark. So yeah.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty, Don't Uber right at my house, you call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding.
Y'all, so we're outside of the Dubai Mall, and this is what it looks like. And this is the Burj Khalifa, I think that's how you say it. It's the tallest building in the world. Like, the camera's just not doing it justice on how beautiful everything looks around here. There's so many people out here too. Beautiful. So we just got done eating at Texas Roadhouse, believe it or not. You know, it's not broke, don't fix it, you know, feel me? We gotta get closer to the water. I think that's what everyone's doing. It's so beautiful. So I'm gonna try to record it on my phone as well for like my little TikTok, and I'm trying to get it for y'all too. But there's a bunch of people out here, so we gonna see how this goes. Good morning. Good morning, y'all. This is... I'm coming right now. Keep it running. It's a quick little intro. Good morning. This is day 5 in Dubai. Excuse me, a little rusty, little ashy, a mess. I look a mess right now, but that's because I just woke up. So I need to get ready. 20 minutes to do like a little something to my face, sunscreen, shower, all that. All right, bye y'all. All right, y'all, so we made it. We're down here at the Dubai Marina. We can't board till 12. It's probably like 11:40-ish, 50-ish. Hey, gang. Hey, y'all. You guys have fun today, y'all. We got to be lit by the time we see us again. All right, y'all, so this is the yacht we're on for today. The inside of it, it is so cute. There's the downstairs, which is probably the bedrooms. Driver's seat, there's another driver's seat up front. Some ladies taking the photos for the gram. Y'all, I'm still trying to learn this camera. I'm trying to find where a good light is at. Right here. But yeah, I am so ready for today. Y'all, I don't know where I left off yesterday, because yesterday was a long day. Like, the heat will really drain you. So we went to the Dubai Mall. After we came back from the mall, we went on, oh yeah, we was walking around downtown trying to find some alcohol for, of course, today. And we went to the liquor store, and sorry, I was looking at another boat, they're driving off. And we went to the liquor store, was successful, and Went back to the house, got in the jacuzzi for a little bit, you know, sipped a little bit, and then I went to sleep. I was knocked out. That shower felt so good.
Alright.
Did you make you a mixed drink already?
Yep.
We ain't gotta be lit right now. You the only one I see while the whole world go around, Let them tear the club up, I'll be pulling to the crib downtown. Girl, the way you rolled up, I'ma have to take a hit right now, right now. Baby, we can turn it. Yeah.
It's our last day. We're kind of pre-packing because hopefully we can be adventurous today for the last day. Hey guys, so it's been a couple of hours. I'm fully awake now. I don't know what time it is, but I feel super accomplished. Me and Nanny got up and we did some little content pictures so we can post on the gram later. We got some videos. We started working on our TikToks. Y'all, we've been doing it up, and my girls, my line sisters, will be so happy because they've been wanting me to create content, and on this trip I was really like able to create some good content. So I hope y'all really are enjoying. Like, if you're still watching this video, which I don't know how well this video is going to be put together, thank you so much for like tuning in, first of all, to my channel. Thank you so much for what is eye doing? I feel like, well, I know a couple of lashes fell out from this eye. I was sleeping on this eye, but forgot what I was saying. Oh, but just thank you for tuning in, thank you for watching, and you know, hopefully I can be a little bit more consistent than when I first started my channel. Okay, that was like a couple of years ago. And yeah, but it's our last full day here, so we're gonna try to jam pack some things in. It's a couple of options we can do. There's one attraction that we are definitely not gonna be able to do. It's the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Like, that is sold out until like Monday, and we leave tomorrow morning, so we're just not gonna be able to do that, but which it'll be okay. I'm coming back. We coming back, so it's okay. It's you know, we'll be able to come back and do it. But some of the girls left and went to like a little brunch spot party thing. I wasn't feeling it, so I just stayed back. Me and Annie stayed back to create content, do a little work, and now we're gonna make breakfast. We have a lot of food that's left over that we bought all this week, and it needs to be cooked up because everyone leaves like tomorrow night or tonight. So we got to cook some bacon, eggs, I think maybe French toast, some potatoes. So honey, we about to have our own little brunch. Okay, we got prosecco, champagne, the moscato, like all that stuff. We still got hella alcohol from the boat yesterday left over, so we're gonna have our own little good time here. And then whenever the other girls get back from their brunch, we're gonna link up and then do some things. So tune in, continue to watch. Make sure you have liked this video. If you haven't already, like it. Go ahead right now. Do it right now. Right now. Thank you. And make sure you subscribe and share. Okay.
Later that same evening.
I can't stop and look the other way, 'cause I know it could be, babe, and you never felt the same. You be thinking about it every day. Don't believe in fairy tales, but we got our fantasies. And it's me and you, my sheet, trying to be up through your sheets. Have you all looked at me? Acting like it's not deep, or you can take it out of me. Tell me what it's about to be. Really feels bound to be. I can't tell no one that I know I want you.
like I'm the only one who has energy. What's wrong with y'all?
You already know.
We made it to the Dubai Miracle Garden. All right, guys. So the battery's about to die, so I don't know how much of this I'm gonna get, but we made it to the Miracle Garden. It is so gorgeous. All right, y'all, I'm trash. I haven't recorded since last night, and my camera battery died, and I did not charge it. But we're leaving. We're on the plane. We're about to board and go to Chicago. I think our flight is 15 hours this time around. And I took my camera off the tripod, so I'm just holding it in my hand. So sorry about the bad angle. But we had so much fun in Dubai. We got to do it again. I'm not going to record for the rest of the trip because it's just going to be some boring shit, you know? Sleeping, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, all the fun stuff. And I hope this was a good video for you guys. Bye.